Yibin Hongqu Thread Co Limited put into production in June 2020 and plans to invest 2 billion yuan to build a 500,000 spindle high-end sewing thread factory, which is the first full-process intelligent spinning production demonstration line in China and the world. It is also the most advanced intelligent plant in the world. At present, we produce 102,000 tons of all kinds of sewing thread yarn every month. And the production capacity will be 2,400 tons per month at the middle of year 2021. Our company uses the E-system of Jingwei to monitor and manage the production process remotely, while using the best E-germ fiber and producing with the most advanced equipment in China. The launched 1,200 spindles spinner. The latest automatic winder of Morita. The newest precision winding machine and high-tank 241 twister of RIFA. It is realized that there is no joint in single weight of 1.667 kilograms. At the same time, the production efficiency is highly improved. The stability of the yarn is guaranteed and the unqualified rate of the product is reduced. Our laboratory has the most advanced testing equipment and professional testing team in China. Regular product testing to ensure our product indicators can meet the requirements of customers. Our products are exported to overseas and winning the trust and praises of extensive customers. To spend a lifetime in one thing and spinning one thread, Changgang Chao.